Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you can use the PS5 controller mic. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is you're going to basically press the PlayStation button, and you're going to go to mic, and right here where it says mic, if you already have, like, let's just say headphones connected, so it might automatically switch to that mic. But if you want to go ahead and switch it to the PlayStation 5 controller mic, all you have to do is select mic, and then it will always be here. Wireless controller, it will always be here. I'm pretty sure this will never get removed, so you'll basically always see it. And what the PS5 controller mic is, it just comes with the controller itself. I think it's like this bottom part where I guess where you speak into, I guess, and they'll hear it, whatever. That's where, like, if you talk into the loudest, that's where they're gonna hear it. But anyways, yeah, that is basically what the PS5 controller mic is. And yeah, so yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.